Okay, kids, I have a great idea. Let's play a Halloween game, but first, let's bring in a friend to play with us. I wonder who it might be. Let's see.
Whoa! What happened? 1 minute I was gathering rainbow clovers and I was sipping on Stardust smoothies, and the next minute I'm here. Did I take a wrong turn out of the cosmic rainbow?
No, John the Leprechaun. I brought you through my cosmic portal. My friends and I are about to play a Halloween game. Would you like to play too?
Oh, I love fun games and sunshine and rain, and I got my lucky clovers to make it magical.
Okay, here's how we play the game, friends. I'll show you and John a letter, and you can guess what item that letter starts with. Are you ready?
Ready as a rainbow on a rainy day. Come with me.
Okay, are you ready, friends? Okay, here's the first letter. The first letter starts with P. What might we see during Halloween that begins with P?
A polka-dotted pineapple wearing pajamas.
That's so silly. They don't have polka-dotted pineapples on the planet Earth. Try it again.
A penguin wearing a bathing suit.
Penguins like the cold. Try one more lucky leprechaun guess.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Let me tune into the lucky clovers.
Okay.
I see.
Yeah?
I see. It's a purple polka-dotted pumpkin.
You're right. It is a pumpkin. I love how you're using your imagination, John.
I'm liking this game. Let's play another one.
Okay. Here's the next letter, friends. Can you think of something that starts with the letter G that we might see during Halloween?
Some green, gloomy grapes.
No, that's a good Halloween guess, but that's not it. Try again.
Did you hear that sound?
What?
It must be a goat. I think it must be a goofy, grumpy goat.
A goat belongs on a farm, silly. I'll give you a little hint. What I'm thinking of is quite impossible to see and sometimes goes boom.
I think I got it, Princess Starseed.
Yeah.
I'm thinking you're talking about a ghosty, growly ghost.
Yes, you got it. You guessed it. It is a ghost.
This guessing game is so much fun. I'm gonna keep on guessing till Halloween's done.
Yay! Okay, the next letter is the letter T. What starts with T that we might see during Halloween?
A tree filled with tiny tinsel and tiny trinkets.
That's a Christmas tree. What else could it be?
Oh, I've got it, Princess Starseed.
Yeah?
It's a tin trash can filled with trickless tricks and giggles.
I like tricks and giggles sometimes, but try another guess. You're really good at guessing.
Oh, it's a bag. It's a bag of scrum delicious treats.
Yes, you're right, John. You guessed it. It is treats.
I'm really getting the hang of this game. Let's play some more, Princess Starseed.
Okay. The next letter is the letter S. What starts with the letter S that we might see during Halloween?
Oh, that's an easy one. It's gotta be a stinky, spooky sandcastle P.
A stinky, spooky sandcastle. We gotta get rid of that.
Oh, I know what it must be. It's a slimy slug sandwich. That's part of Halloween, or so it may seem.
That's a silly one too. Try one more guess.
This is a tricky one, but it's so much fun. Can it be a skeleton?
You got it right. Okay, John the Leprechaun, here's one more for you. What starts with the letter C that we might see on Halloween?
Oh, I know. It can't be a cookie.
No.
Could it be a costume? Do they wear costumes here on the planet Earth?
You guessed it. It is a costume. Costumes are fun for everyone, even you, John.
Well, great. I'll fit right in there because I just so happen to wear my fancy dancy costume all the time. You know, Princess Starseed,
Yeah.
I got a question for you.
Okay.
what starts with the letter B?
Well, it's got to be bats. Everyone knows that there are batty bats flying around on Halloween.
That's a good answer, but it's not what I'm thinking of.
Do you know, friends? Oh, balloons. Balloons could be fun. How about some balloons?
You know, that is another good one too. But it's still not what I'm thinking of. You know?
What could it be? Do you know, friends? What starts with the letter B that we might see on Halloween? I give up.
Well, everyone all around the universe knows him.
Yeah?
And this is my hint to you. He's big and blue, and he's nice like you.
Could it be our feather friend Bluesy?
How is that trick better than a treat?
Wow, Bluesy, what a fun and silly surprise.
The best surprise ever, Lucy.
Let's have a Halloween party.
Hey, that's a fantastic idea, Bluesy. We can invite all of our friends from all around the world.
Oh, I can't wait.
Princess Starseed,
Yeah?
even though I'm not from planet Earth,
Yeah.
may I come too?
Oh,
Well, of course you can. Like you said, you'll fit right in.
it's a party.
I can't wait! I promise to have lots of tricks up my sleeve.
Hey, friends, thanks for playing with us today. We'll see you next time. Say bye-bye, Bluesy.
Bye-bye, Bluesy.
Bye-bye.
That was the best trick, and it was better than a treat.
Hey, come with me!